Hi, I'm Professor Tracy Norton, and I'm here to tell you about the Portal to Admission at Touro Law. The Portal to Admission at Touro Law is an admission program for promising, highly motivated students. There are 3 requirements to enter law school through the Portal to Admission at Touro Law. The first one is that you complete the 12-week Focus Approach LSAT prep course. The second is that you complete the Legal Analysis Preview course at Touro Law. And the third component is that you score a 148 or higher on the LSAT. Of course, there are other admissions requirements that are standard for everyone, that you have to have graduated from a 4-year institution and things like that. You'll obviously have to satisfy those requirements as well, but there are no specific LSAT or GPA requirements beyond the 148 on the LSAT. So Focus Approach and Legal Analysis Preview are courses that are offered in tandem here at the law school and online. So when they're here at the law school, they're live at scheduled times. And so usually they occur on Sundays. The Focus Approach course usually runs for 5 hours on a Sunday afternoon. And then the Legal Analysis Preview piece runs for 2 hours, either immediately before or immediately after. Legal Analysis Preview runs for 6 of the 12 weeks of Focus Approach. Both courses are also offered online at your convenience, so that you don't have to come to the building. You can do them online at any time that's convenient for you, and you're not constrained by the 6 or the 12 weeks. As long as you apply to the portal program, you complete the requirements, you can still be admitted to law school with the same program online. The cost of the program is reimbursed as a tuition credit across the first 2 semesters at Touro Law. And so let me run through that process again for you real fast. So you apply to the portal admission at Touro Law. When you're accepted, you then complete the Focus Approach course that runs for about 12 weeks. In the 2nd or 3rd week of the Focus Approach course, you begin the Legal Analysis Preview. You complete Legal Analysis Preview after 6 weeks, complete Focus Approach after 12 weeks, and then as long as you score a 148 or higher on the LSAT, we will guarantee you admission to Touro Law and reimburse you the cost of the program as tuition credits across your first 2 semesters. You literally have nothing to lose. So what is Legal Analysis Preview? That's the portion that I teach. It's a legal analysis mini course. It gives you the analytical foundation for all of your law school courses, as well as the analytical foundation for legal writing and communication that may be in a trial courtroom or an appellate courtroom. We'll give you a basic introduction to legal writing. So basically the first 3 weeks you're getting an introduction to analysis, and then the final 3 weeks you're getting an introduction to legal communication and writing. It turns out that it's a stress reducer for your first year. By giving you the legal analysis foundation that you'll need in all of your courses, it reduces the stress that many law students experience at being in a brand new course of study that's incredibly intense and largely unknown, because you don't have to major in any particular topic before you come to law school. Law school is meant to be a unique standalone program that nothing really quite prepares you for. And so having this introduction to legal analysis helps reduce some of the stress that comes with the intensity of learning all this new material, along with the stress of the unknown in your first year. And of course, the program is free to students accepted into the Portal to Admission at Touro Law, because you receive that reimbursement through the tuition credits in your first year. So what you'll cover in Legal Analysis Preview are 6 topics. The first module covers a basic refresher on the American government and the court structure. Module 2 covers working with express legal rules, those legal rules that we find in statutes, regulations, and express rules stated in cases. In Module 3, you'll learn to synthesize legal rules. That is, to take case law where the rules aren't expressly stated, and to synthesize and articulate a rule that can be applied to later cases so that you can solve legal problems. And then in Module 4, Having gone through the analysis in modules 2 and 3, you'll see what large-scale analytical organization looks like in writing. What is the overall organization of a legal analysis? In Module 5, you'll go through small-scale analytical organization. What are the different types of paragraphs and how are those paragraphs structured? And then finally in Module 6, you'll learn to put it all together, Modules 1 through 5, and you'll draft an actual legal memorandum. You'll be given a hypothetical set of facts and asked to apply the law that you're given to that hypothetical set of facts to come up with your best educated guess on the resolution that the case would have in court. So if you think this is for you, to register or if you have more questions, you can always contact me. My phone number is there on the screen for my office, as well as my email address. You can also contact Susan Thompson. Dr. Thompson is in our Office of Admissions as our Director of Enrollment, and you can contact her by her phone number there on the screen or through the email address you see on the screen. So we hope to see you in a future class at the Portal to Admission at Touro Law, and we hope to see you as a brand new 1L sometime soon.